Welcome to London. We flew to London with EasyJet. I like to shop, so one of the first things I did was to visit Oxford Street. One of my favorite shops is Primark. We took the tube a lot to visit some of the attractions, as an example Hyde Park, Covent Garden and Chinatown. It's interesting to see all the different people in London. I am interested in the old Egypt, so of course I visited the wonderful British Museum. I like London because there always are people on the street and in the underground. When you visit London, you must go to Notting Hill and walk down Portobello Road. In London Old and New meets. Here is the House of Parliament, Big Ben and Tower Bridge, in contrast to the Shard, which is the tallest building in Europe. Camden Market is very special. You can buy many different things from clothes to Chinese food. You always turn back to Oxford Street, and I can recommend Dorothy Parkins if you like modern clothes.